Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. This amazing scrub will remove blackheads and dead skin in just 5 minutes. Blackheads are nothing but few bumps that are caused when your skin pores get clogged. When these clogged pores are exposed in open, it further oxidizes and assumes a dark black color. Sometimes some medication, side effect or hormonal change can also cause blackheads and of course excessive sebum oil production. The good news is that blackheads can be removed at home, that too naturally using ingredients lying right next to you in your kitchen shelf. Here's how to remove blackheads using natural ingredients. Ingredients: rice flour, fresh lemon juice. Directions: take half teaspoon of rice flour and 5 to 6 drops of lemon juice. Mix them well. Now eliminate your all makeup and use the mix on your face from your finger. Gradually rub this mix in a circular motion for few minutes. Then wait for a couple of minutes and wash off with cool water. It will lower your blackheads. Rice flour assists to obtain rid of open pores while the lemon juice whitens and cleans the skin. Blackheads are a really common issue, especially in the ladies. It appears primarily on nose and chin location. These black spots look extremely uncomfortable. However, do not worry. You don't require any unique brand name because I have shared with you the very best homemade scrub to getting rid of blackheads. When you will attempt it, you will get rid of those blackheads naturally without spending too much. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.